And I will tell you something right now, sis. You will not freeze in this wig. You got yourself a full mink, okay, for $30. What?
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi everybody, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. We're going to be trying on wigs today. Not just any sort of wig. These are synthetic wigs under $30 plus a little coupon code, and plus we got a giveaway in this video as well. So y'all y'all better get ready, girl. Grab your wine, your tea, your juice, and let's get into this video. I'm not trying to hold y'all. We got things to do on this good Wednesday. So all of these wigs are from the brand Heraremy. I would like to thank Heraremy for sponsoring this video. I've already started with my wig grip, which is really dirty. I'm telling y'all, this first wig, don't even. Her name is Ashlynn. Look at her. Oh my God. Doesn't it remind you of fall? And she is in the color Spice Bronze. She's giving you very much Poison Ivy. And this wig is like a little bit of a mini lace front wig. So we have a little bit of lace around the front and a lace part, and the rest of it is wig cap. I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all get sick with these waves. The great thing about this wig is that it has baby hairs. I've laid down a few baby hairs. So she's featuring super gorgeous waves. She's giving you bang. She's giving you like the little flip moment here in the front, already pre-curled. This wig is super long. This is a lot of hair, and it's very soft and very, very fluffy, but very worth it. Like I said, this is the Ashlynn Spiced Bronze. Definitely should check her out. Now we're gonna hang out with her cousin. Let me show you what her cousins look like. So this wig is Ashlynn. This wig is the same texture, the same style as the last Ashlynn, except she's in the color French Roast, giving you very much coffee with a little bit of cream. Let's go ahead and put her on. I'm not gonna make y'all wait. Y'all, my back is sweating. You hear me? So this beauty right here is the Ashlynn in French Roast. She's absolutely gorgeous, very fluffy. It's reminiscent of fall leaves, but look at this color. I think they did a great job paying attention to color on this wig, and it just gives you levels, okay? She gives you dimension. Oh my God, my magnetic lash is coming off. And of course she comes with a little swoop bang. And let me show you how it looks in the back. And I will tell you something right now, sis. You will not freeze in this wig. You got yourself a full mink, okay, for $30. What? Okay, so our third wig that we're going to try on is this beautiful, gorgeous wig. This wig is the Celine Dolce Blonde wig. Oh my God, you see this wig? Girl. The cap construction is definitely different. This wig is not a lace frontal wig. It is a lace part wig. Girl, you got one part. Don't be trying to pull your hair up in a ponytail. All your secrets are going to show unless you got thick baby hairs on your natural head. Y'all know I don't. So let's go ahead and throw this wig on. Wow. So, like I said, this wig is a Celine Dolce Blonde wig. This is a beautiful ash blonde highlighted wig. Very, very fluffy and very, very long. I think she's giving you about 30 inches with waves. My theme is fall fluffy. Fluffy fall. That's what I'm trying to give you. Giving you Black Mona Lisa. I had to pluck the part. It's a little bit thicker up at the front, but it can be concealed. I added some concealer and she looks just fine. But look how beautiful this wig is. I just love the fluff. I just love how beautiful and fluffy it is. So this last wig is similar to the first one. This has a lace front with a lace parting space here. Has 2 combs that are adjustable straps in the back, and she's a super long autumn leaf colored wig. This was another very, very, very long wig to keep you warm in the fall time. This is more like a braid out versus like a fluffy twist out sort of wig. I love this one. It's a little bit thick on this side. I actually would theoretically thin it out a bit or just wear it like that. Let me show you how long this wig is. Even though this wig is a side part, I would prefer it as a middle part because I'm a middle part girl, but for the side part girls, this is right up your alley. Super gorgeous. What do y'all think? While I take a sip of my drink, y'all can go ahead and listen to all of the giveaway rules because we'll be giving away 2 wigs for this video and on my Instagram. So keep on watching for the giveaway rules while I take a sip. So my YouTube channel giveaway is super easy. You'll be entering to win this Celine Dolce blonde wig, and all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram at Alwaysameera, make sure you follow Heraremy on Instagram, and comment down below your Instagram name so we're able to cross-check it. For my Instagram giveaway, I will be giving away this Kiara wig in the color Hazel. And the rules for that giveaway will be on my Instagram page under the post for the giveaway, so make sure you pay attention to that. All of the rules will be listed in the description box down below. Also, I do have a coupon code for 5% off a purchase of a wig. This is a limited time coupon code. It's only going to be lasting for a short period of time, so make sure you go ahead and use that coupon code. Get a little bit of money off of a $30 wig. Is my wig shifted? Wait, hold on. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed these wigs. I'm really enjoying trying on wigs for y'all because we ain't going nowhere. I'll be walking around the house just with my TWA. Anyway, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.